Hey everyone, today is a do-it-yourself eyelash cleaning video. So this is going to be cleaning your false lashes to extend the wear life of your lashes up to 2 more weeks. So say you get a good pair of Huda Beauty lashes. They are pretty expensive, $11 to $20. You may get 10 uses out of them. However, they get gunked up with eyeshadow, glitter, glue, and all of that. I'm going to show you today how to do it yourself and extend the wear of your false lashes. Let's get into it. All you're going to need are a pair of your old false lashes, some paper towels, rubbing alcohol, you can get this at the dollar store, a bowl, and Q-tips and some tweezers. Let's get to doing it. So all I do is pour a little bit of the alcohol in the bowl, and what you want to do is peel the eyelash glue off. So wherever you see eyelash glue, or you can even do it with your fingers. See how dirty this one is? It's got eyeshadow all over it. It's got glitter particles. So I basically just start peeling this off with my hands, all the glue. See? And there's some glue. So we'll do that. I take some Q-tip and just rub it around in the alcohol, and I just wipe down the lash. And you can see it coming off right on the paper towel. This will help prolong your lashes, and it will give them a good clean surface area. And you can see that this Q-tip is dirty, and now my lash is clean and ready to be used again. Perfect, good as new. That's all there is to it, guys. That's a simple way to clean the lashes. And there you have it, everybody. That's so super easy. Just a couple steps to clean your false lashes and extend the wear time of those lashes. Keep them fresh, looking like new, so you don't have to go out and repurchase a ton of pair of lashes. Why do that and save yourself some money with just that simple do-it-yourself trick for cleaning lashes? If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. It is free. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.